Are you boy or girl?
I'm girl.
You are girl.
Yes.
And you are single.
No, I'm married.
You are married.
Yes.
Where's your husband?
My husband is Canada.
Canada.
Yes.
Canada is your husband.
Yeah.
Canada is your husband.
What means husband?
You are married to your Canada.
Yes.
So Canada married you.
Ha. Yes.
So your husband is Canada. That's what you're telling us. أنا لا. I'm single but I'm swallow.
I'm married.
I'm married.
Yes.
I'm هذا كل شيء.
I'm married.
I am
No, I'm
married.
not single. I'm married.
So ساسمع وين هذا? I'm a married woman. I'm a spouse. I'm not single. I'm not interested in anyone.
I am single.
English أو RBS كسب برتة مش لا إيمان تلا واحد.
هادي ها أربيس كلمة بمشان لتشوفها.
English مو تقارن مع اسكوسو.
واكسا.
I'm a married. What do you
I am
mean?
married.
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Your English
Means I'm...
Your English is broken English. It's not right English.
Yes, bro. I قردنا English مكسر.